What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Spotify keeps pausing bug on Android. Also, before I get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So sometimes when I try to add a Bluetooth connection from my phone to another device and play music through it, Spotify decides to constantly pause the track that's being played. So this is how you can fix this. So first off, just make sure that Spotify is not in your recent history. And once you removed it from your recent browse history, go over to your settings right here. Now, once your settings load, just simply scroll down until you can see the apps settings right here. So just go ahead and open that. Once you're in your app settings, you need to access all the apps on your phone, so the app menu. And for that you just need to click on apps again. And there we go. Here is the complete list of all the apps that are installed on my device. So from here just go to the search tab and type in Spotify. Once you find Spotify, just simply click on it. And then this in-depth app options menu will load. From this little menu just go to the storage settings right here. And once you're in your storage settings, you have two options. Either to clear the app data, so delete all the app data that is installed on your phone, that also contains downloaded music, or just clear the cache. So for you to fix this bug, you would need to press clear cache right here. Now, once the cache is cleared, you can go ahead and try to open Spotify again. And now if I try to play a track, it's not pausing anymore. So that's how you can fix the pausing issue in Spotify on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.